G'day everyone, welcome to the Eastern Market Report for today, the 10th of November 21. And a very happy birthday to you, Jilly. Jilly's birthday today and we're going out tonight. Cows here, about 47 cows yarded in total, about the same as last week. They topped out at $3.90. Most of these heavy cows are sort of making that $3.70 to, like I said, $3.90. Your lighter cows, however, they're a little bit softer. They made from $3 to $3.45.
Cattle here today. These a bit cheaper on last week, about 15 cents cheaper. These ones here making from $5.10 up to $5.70 or 80 on your black cattle.
Yeah, with a limited offering of good trade cattle here today, about fully firm on last week. These good heifers here made from $5.40 to a top of $5.55.
Restocker steers, firm on last week. These ones weighing 250 kilos, making up to about $7.20 or $7.30.
Restocker heifers here today were about 20 to 30 cents cheaper than last week. These nice Angus and Angus cross heifers here averaging about $6.35.
The yarding of 5 bulls here today. Bulls topped at $3.24 a kilo on a steady market, a little bit weaker than last week.